What's up YouTube? We're back in the garage, and today I'm going to be talking about Fender lights. I've been getting a few questions from people online and in person on why my Fender lights glow so green at night. And in this video I'm just going to go through what I did to convert my Fender lights from fiber optic line to an LED bulb. Without further ado, let's get into it. So one of the tricks to removing the Fender position light is using a hard anything, like a string, or in my case even a zip tie. But basically after you pull and pry the rubber grommet underneath of it, you can slip the zip tie under the housing, and what you're trying to do is pull this towards the front of the car, and you're going to be able to hear a click, or not, but there is a click, because basically you are pushing this little button here. Now once you have this loose, what you want to do is undo the fiber optic line, like so. Once you have this off, what I like to do is actually tie a piece of string on it. When you pull this through, it'll actually allow you to pull the string through. Once you're getting it back together, tape your wiring to the string, pull it back through, and it's just an easy way of feeding the electrical line that you've created back into your engine bay. So you're gonna have the Fender position light off the car, and there's just one single screw. You can kind of see it here on the clip that you have to undo. Just wanted to show the LED that I chose to use for this project. It's from a company on Amazon called Lao Mao, and for 20 of them I paid $7, so about 35 cents a pop. It's a simple LED with diode built in, positive and ground wires included. The wire you can see is very, very thin, so just keep in mind you have to work with that when extending the wire harness into the engine bay, and also whatever type of connector that you choose to use. So getting 20 of these, you can share 18 of them with 9 of your friends, or put 10 of them in your Fender markers if you wanted to. But yeah, I think it's a really good deal. 5 out of 5 from the seller. They've all seem to work, and I have no complaints. The only necessary modification that I found before installing the LED into the fender marker housing was taking a drill bit, which I believe was between a 3/16 and a 13/64. But what you want to do is take off a little bit of height out of the housing. Be careful, don't drill a hole through the housing and punch your way through. Just be patient. I'd imagine you're only taking 2 to 3 millimeters off of plastic, but you want the LED head to sit as close and as flush with the housing as possible. This will allow you to use the clip and screw without much resistance. Once you've drilled out the housing, you can take your clip, make sure to place the LED through the clip first, because the head won't fit otherwise. You can't install the clip and then do the LED, so make sure that you have this step done. The head of the LED will fit right back into the newly drilled out housing, and all you have to do lastly is take your original screw, make sure it goes in fairly easy before cross-threading anything, and then just tighten it up with a screwdriver. This should be something like what your final product may look like. Any type of wire can be used to extend the original wire harness, and in this case I used spade style connectors. When you are tinkering with your car or modifying it, it's always good to check your work before you install it back onto the car. Yeah, mission accomplished. We are back in the garage, gonna reinstall this fender marker light that we have done. What I'm gonna do is attach my wire harness to the string, or in this case, Park Tools DI2 wiring fishing line type of thing, and basically pull the line through. And let's see if I can do this first try on camera.
One eternity later.
There we go. The line came through with my spade connectors. All you need to do is connect your connectors to each other, the wires that you found for the lighting output that you want to turn on, with your Fender marker lights. And once you have that, just snap in your Fender marker lights. And you're done, you're good to go. And pat yourself on the back for the best 35 cents that you'll ever spend on a car. And if you made it this far through the video, I really appreciate all the support. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, peace.